Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SurveyMonkey and build UX surveys for web pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install SurveyMonkey, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official SurveyMonkey website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the SurveyMonkey dashboard. To create a new survey, click on the Create Survey button. Choose between starting from scratch or using a template. If you select a template, browse through the categories to find one that suits your needs. Click on your desired template to open it. Use the built-in editor to modify questions as needed. Add different question types like multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended questions. Make sure to adjust the survey settings according to your preferences. Consider enabling skip logic for a more tailored user experience. Once satisfied with your survey, click on the Collect Responses tab. Choose your preferred method for distributing the survey. You can send the survey via email, share a link, or embed it directly in your web page. To embed the survey, select the Embed option and customize the settings as required. Copy the provided HTML code. Next, navigate to the web page where you want to embed the survey. Open the HTML editor for that web page. Paste the SurveyMonkey embed code in the suitable location. Save the changes to your web page. Finally, preview the page to ensure the survey appears correctly. Now your UX survey is ready for responses on your web page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.